Alright, in Five Below, look right here. We have the buildable Christmas tree snow globe. We have it in pink, lights included. That's kind of cool. So pink, gold, and green. By Block Tech. Okay. $6 over here. Oh, this is the plush. So you build your own gingerbread. You get the birth certificate. Name it. The little cotton, I guess you stuff it. Oh, look at this DIY one. The crochet one. That's kind of cool. Okay, the bears. Those are really, really cute. Let me walk over here. Big Nick Energy. Okay, here's the prices on the bags. Bluey. Oh, look at that one. So it has like a little bears on it. The bear throw. It's cute. The dinosaur, T-Rex, the burn book. You have SpongeBob and Patrick. Passport. Wow, all of them are picked through. How crazy. Let me walk over here, you guys. Tons of Bluey. We have the candy canes here. Gummy bears, chocolate, Feastables. Okay, cereal straw set. That's really weird. Bomb, chocolate. Here's a color bomb. These are gonna be 3. Oh, they have like Bluey, like fun dips, dipping sticks with candy powder. That's funny.
Somebody broke one of these. I'm not gonna lie, I would be very disappointed. These are just hollow.
And the hot cocoa mix. Candy, some trees. We have the Grinch. If you want the swarm maker, they do have it. And of course, all your gingerbread tree houses. These are really cool. All your bags and slippers. Okay, these are cute socks. The Bumble ones, those are really cute. Look, these I knew this one was gonna be gone, and I feel like Snoopy would be gone too. Oh, here's all the comfy ones. Look at how cute. I like the Snoopy and Woodstock one. And dinosaurs, Bluey, more Bluey. There's a Stitch one. He's just Joe Cool in the house. He just, I don't know. There's 7. I kind of feel like he needs a cigarette. I don't promote smoking, but the way it looks like he needs a cigarette. Okay, what were you showing me? Oh, Glam Squad. I believe I've seen these before.
Don't she look like Barbara Eden? Like, look at her eyes. That's what it reminds me of. Huh. But I wonder if this was like a Tinkerbell doll. You know, like from the same factory, and they used the Tinkerbell head from like the Tinkerbell doll. But she has like a Barbie.
Okay, Pokemon Squishmallows. These are cute. We have coloring books, Jumbo, the Elf. This is a Tumblr one. Wicked in the house, of course. Yeah, most of the good stockings are gone. They do have a few Stitch, but you know, just depends on your location, you guys. SpongeBob movie. There's a new one coming out. I just saw it. Like they were talking about it. Shrek the Minion. Adorables. These are really funny. You shoot your eye out. Okay, this was actually on TV. It was like that part was like ho ho ho. And I just thought it was funny. Marshmallow, sour coated marshmallow. Oh, very interesting. These are $5. Krabby Patty. Krabby Patties, and then there's Stitch. Let me walk around real quick. Hello Kitty is just like Boba. The Scooter one, the Disney. And I believe these are animated.
Oh, Lady in the Tramp.
Okay, come on, we need that in our life.
No,
let me see that. That is so funny. And let me see. Only 27 miles. It would be more funny if it did speak SpongeBob. You hear his laugh?
Yeah.
Are you feeling it? Wally and Zero. Yeah, here's the remote control Buzz Lightyear. That's so funny. Yeah, everything's remote control in here. $20 right here, 74 pieces. They have a Minecraft, like pinball. 25 for the train. Peanut. Oh, is that a bubble blower? Shut up.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. It's a remote control bubble blower. Oh my gosh. Look at, we have a pickle. Pickle. That's so funny. Oh, he is adorable. Here's some cologne sets for you.
Oh yeah, of course.
These are makeup. We got whipped vanilla, pink sugar, bath bombs here, travel essentials.
They call it a mystery box, but they tell you exactly what's inside.
You get lips. Yeah, here we go.
Mystery.
Skincare, a cleanse, a treat and prep, and then for your under eye. Rock candy, sweet treat. Here's this one. That's cute. Sugar spice and vanilla nice. Sweet as sugar, and they have peachy. It's a lip care kit. And of course, I believe that's hand lotion. $30 for the LED vanity mirror. I'm not too sure how much that fridge is, but that should not be $30. I'm not too sure if this is 20. If it's 20, I feel like that's the same price as TJ Maxx and Marshalls right now. They do have a wax warmer for 15. This light up one, no clue. It could be under 20 or 15. AirPod case, we got AirPods. Look at this one on the green alien. Furby and the Stitch one. Mystery Machine, One Piece. There's Sully down there. Shrek. Are these the bands? Yeah. There's more tech stuff. These are going to be $6. It's a chain too if you're wanting one. That's funny, these are popular. I know they sell these in Target. I just threw away our strawberry one. The cheese one. The cheese touch. They have the pickle here, the banana. Why can't they come with like the package, right? And these are all like dirty though. Even though they're packaged, they're just dirty. Like I would get one if it was packaged up. I don't want to touch something like 20 children and teenagers poking their nose. You know what I mean? Bag charms. Okay, these are kind of cute. These are cute too. The Grinch LED tower speaker, marble mountain, rollerblades. That's so funny. Foam party. That's $25. Okay, what do we have down here in this area? Dream lights. Okay. Pillow pets. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot my youngest had a pillow cat. We had a ladybug. We had the ladybug one. Here's a bear. SpongeBob mask. You need a tower fan. That's going to be $25. These are cute. Travel mugs. The tile. Let me see. They are porcelain, so they will break. I don't want to pull it out. But hopefully you can find your letter. Glitter snacky box. I'm not too sure on the price. The prices are kind of all over the place. Look at this one with the straw. They're cute, right? I think these are like trinket trays. or whatever you want. Look at that cat. He's a strawberry cat. Look at these clear bags with a big zipper. It's kind of funny. Okay, here's the Christmas ones. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm looking for the babies. I've been seeing those babies. Supposedly, they're in Five Below. Like the glitter babies. Let's see if I can find them. But all these jelly ones here, like right here, they come in a little pouch. They're squishy with like little pom-poms in it. The koala one is actually cute. I think you can unzip it. Got a koala. See, they're squishy with like pom-poms. Let's find out. Oh, there's a dinosaur one. And everything bluey if you want something bluey. We have slime. These slime kits, they're already made. You're not gonna make them, so I'm just letting you know that if they want to make their own, just don't buy this right here. Yes, you can kind of build gooey bites. Oh my gosh! Look at that. The book collectibles. I've never seen this. I think, do you get a mini book? I'm not too sure. It doesn't say. I mean, these could be stocking stuffers. Cheetos. You know, somebody who loves like Cheetos. Hey, give them Cheetos. See, they have these little things. They had a little container of ducks. Remember the little container of ducks we saw? This is just kind of funny. They have Nemo, Monsters Inc. I'm always watching. She's right there, of course. Tina. You know what? They need Jimmy Jr. Come on. Where's her Jimmy Jr. man?
I'm surprised he doesn't have a removable beef squatch mask.
That'd be funny.
No
Chucky. No. I mean, all these blind boxes here, these are perfect again for children's stocking stuffers. You got the butt one. It's funny. Snarkies, Powerpuff Girl. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to end the video here in Five Below. But, you know, candy never hurts to put in a stocking. We have guppers, gummy liquid-filled poppers. Interesting. They all have a fruity center. I don't think my... Oh my gosh, a pickle one, and they're shaped like pickles.
Maybe it's squirting pickle.
Boba. That is crazy. You know, I had these. These are actually pretty decent. It has spicy mango. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there. And I will see all of you in the next one.